Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna try to explain how to use build modifier. First of all, let's press Shift A and add monkey head. Then, go to Modifier menu and add Subdivision Surface Modifier. Let's enter 2 in the Leaves viewport and apply the Subdivision Modifier. Right-click and make Shade Smooth. Then, go to Viewport Shading menu and click on the Matcap tab. Select one of them. Go to Modifier menu and add Build Modifier. It is invisible initially because the Build Modifier will build it for us. The Build Modifier causes the faces of the mesh object to appear or disappear one after the other over time. Start frame is the start of the build process. The length is total time for building process. If we press the space key, the building process will start and last till 100th frame. If we want the building process to be faster, we need to decrease the length of the process. We can change the start frame also. If we enable the reversed, the modifier will operate in reverse, essentially allowing it to be used as a deconstruction effect. If we enable the randomize, it randomizes the order in which the faces are built. Changing the seed value gives a different random order when randomize is checked. The face or vertex order can be altered in edit mode by using sort mesh elements. If we want to build from the bottom to top, we can use sort mesh elements. To do this, let's go to edit mode and click on the mesh menu. Come to sort elements and select the cursor distance. In the left bottom menu, let's select the faces. Go back to object mode and start the building. Here we go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.